Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make an ombre hair color like I have right now, just using crepe paper guys. And stay tuned and let's just get started. Change to ponytail. The green is in the lower part of my hair and the purple is on the top. I'm just gonna spray the purple around, but first I'm gonna do a ponytail. Not ponytail, I'm gonna do a pigtails guys. Before I'm gonna start, I'm just gonna wear some gloves. And I'm wearing an old t-shirt guys. It's a house t-shirt. I called it house t-shirt because I don't wear this when I go out or something. See? You need a cling film because it's gonna have a lot of dripping guys. But before the cling film, you need to put aluminum foil. I always use aluminum foil. But my hair is so pink right now guys. I never really done crepe paper before that my hair was so bright color, but I hope it will work. I'm just gonna start with small. Oh, it's already house. Oh wow guys, look. Oh my god, see? So strong. So I'm just gonna sew all of my hair, all of this like that, like so, and then some of the cream. My mistake is I use conditioner. Usually when you do this, you should not use conditioner guys beforehand. But I use conditioner, so I'm just gonna soak it for a few minutes. But I think they're already colored. Let me see. It's kinda like black. It looks like my hair turned black. No way. Because the green is really strong. Wait. I'm gonna add some of the paper. See? Seal this with cling film because sometimes they just drip all over. Okay, like that. It's kind of heavy. So you just repeat the same method that I did on my right hair. So just gonna soak it. Soak. It's kind of messy guys. It's kind of messy, but yeah, it's fun. It's kind of like it turned black. Like what? I think because the combination of the pink hair, like it turned black. Like I don't understand. See, like it turned black. Okay. Okay, that's already sealed. This one I'm going to transfer to this thing so it's not gonna mess. It's a bit messy. Should be closer. Should be closer like that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna remove it, and I'm not gonna wash my hair today. I'm just gonna let it dry, and I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna wash it the next day. But before I did this, I washed my hair and dried it so that I don't need to wash my hair. So it's gonna have, oh wow, oh so messy. And on the top is, you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of a weird color in here right now. I think it's the light. Why is it like this color? So this is the color. So I'm just gonna use a t-shirt to dry this. I'm just gonna dry this naturally. And then I'm gonna remove my face mask. Just gonna wrap it like this and let it dry a bit. Or I'm just gonna let it dry naturally. And going to add some hair oil. This is what I'm using. This hair oil. So before I put this, I need to dry it a bit.
A few moments later.
Guys, that's it. I always have curl hair on my front, but I'm just gonna let it dry naturally now, and tomorrow I'm going to wash my hair, but I'm not going to use shampoo because shampoo tend to wash away the colors of your hair. So if you go to salon, everyone must say that minimize the use of shampoo because the shampoo have this thing that wash out the hair color. If you want your hair color stay longer, you just need to use shampoo every once in a while. But when you do, just use just really good scratch on your hair, or you can use dry shampoo instead. Also, I don't wash my hair every day, and every time I wash my hair, I use conditioner most of the time. Even though I only use crepe papers for my hair, they stay longer because I don't wash my hair every day, and only use shampoo twice a week, sometimes once, and it depends because it depends on how oily my hair is. Hi guys, so this is the result of my hair after I wash it. So I didn't use shampoo at all, I just used conditioner, and I just kinda mix all of them. That's why the color is kinda like this, and down here is kinda bluish blue, and here, so it's kinda mix of the purple and green. That's why, and I really really wash away the green, so it's kinda like this. But as you can see, the divide of them when I tie my hair, so it's really divide them in here. So the purple is not that much of the color because I didn't put aluminum foil in it, but the green, it's actually okay after I wash up because I spray a lot of that purple spray color. I didn't really soak it properly and this side, but this side is different, so it depends on if you both soak them at the same length of time. And yeah, that's that guys. But I'm happy with the result though. For a change, you know, you can always experiment different colors of crepe paper. I always do that. And it's kind of hard to color the crepe paper on the top because it's liquid, so it's kind of hard to color your hair when it's liquid and it's not like creamy like a normal hair dye. So for crepe paper is the only thing you can do is to soak your hair, and that's it. It's kind of messy but affordable. So that's it for today, guys. So next time I'm gonna dye my whole hair again because I think I'm not gonna stay on this one. This color is kind of like weird, but at least we try. Now we know that the spray doesn't work unless you really soak your hair. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I guess see you on my next video. Bye.